Hey there, beach lovers and vacation enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the sun-soaked world of Allegro Playacar, a vibrant, all-inclusive resort nestled in the heart of Playa del Carmen, Mexico. So grab your virtual sunglasses and let's explore this Caribbean paradise together. Let's start with the rooms, shall we? Allegro Playacar offers a variety of accommodations to suit different tastes and needs. The superior rooms are like your home away from home, complete with a balcony or patio where you can sip your morning coffee while enjoying garden or partial sea views. These rooms come equipped with all the essentials, air conditioning, because let's face it, nobody wants to feel like a melted popsicle on vacation, a free minibar, hello, midnight snacks, and a flat-screen TV for those moments when you need a break from all that sunshine. The premium rooms offer similar amenities but with a little extra pizzazz. Think of it as the superior room's slightly fancier cousin. Now, if you're traveling with the whole clan, the family rooms with ocean view are your best bet. These spacious accommodations offer all the comforts of home, plus a stunning view of the Caribbean Sea. Just imagine waking up to the sound of waves and the sight of turquoise waters. It's like Mother Nature's alarm clock, but way more pleasant. All rooms feature private bathrooms, hair dryers because beach hair shouldn't be a 24/7 look, and ceiling fans for those who prefer a gentler breeze. While the exact room sizes aren't specified, guests report comfortable and well-appointed spaces. And here's a little nugget of wisdom. If you're a light sleeper, you might want to request a room away from the entertainment areas. After all, beauty sleep is an essential part of any vacation. Now let's talk about everyone's favorite vacation activity, eating. While the specific names of the restaurants aren't mentioned, maybe they're playing hard to get, Allegro Playacar promises a wide range of culinary options to satisfy even the pickiest eaters. Picture this. You're strolling through the resort, following the tantalizing aromas wafting through the air. Will you end up at an international buffet, piling your plate high with dishes from around the world? Or perhaps you'll find yourself at a cozy a la carte restaurant, savoring authentic Mexican cuisine that'll make your taste buds do the salsa. The resort offers a mix of international and local flavors, so you can globetrot with your fork without ever leaving the property. And let's not forget about the bars. Because what's a beach vacation without a fruity cocktail in hand? While we don't have the exact details, you can bet there are plenty of spots to quench your thirst and toast to your fabulous getaway. Whether you prefer a quiet drink with ocean views or a lively bar with entertainment, Allegro Playacar has got you covered. Just remember, the dress code is typically casual resort attire, so leave your tuxedo at home, James Bond. As for operating hours and reservation policies, it's best to check with the resort upon arrival. After all, part of the fun of vacation is going with the flow and discovering new favorite spots, right? Speaking of going with the flow, let's dive into the pool and beach situation at Allegro Playacar. This resort is a water lover's dream come true, boasting not one, not two, but 3 outdoor pools. While we don't have the exact measurements, maybe they're too busy swimming to measure, guests report plenty of space for everyone to splash, lounge, and perfect their cannonball technique. Imagine spending your days hopping from pool to pool, each offering a different vibe. Maybe one's perfect for laps, another's ideal for sipping cocktails, and the third? Well, that's where the pool party's at. And let's not forget the star of the show, the private beach. Picture soft, white sand between your toes, crystal clear turquoise waters stretching as far as the eye can see, and the gentle lapping of waves providing the perfect soundtrack to your relaxation. The beach at Allegro Playacar is the stuff of postcards and daydreams. While we don't have specifics on beach length or water sports offerings, guests rave about the free beach access and the pristine conditions. Whether you're a sun worshiper looking to work on your tan, a bookworm seeking the perfect reading spot, or an adventure seeker ready to dive into the Caribbean, this beach has got you covered. Don't forget to bring your underwater camera. The marine life in these parts is like a real-life Finding Nemo. Now, for those of you who can't sit still even on vacation, we see you, Energizer Bunnies. Allegro Playacar has plenty to keep you entertained. The resort boasts a fully equipped, air-conditioned fitness center for those who want to keep up with their workout routine or work off some of those delicious all-inclusive meals. While we don't have details on specific classes or training options, you can bet there are plenty of ways to get your heart rate up. But let's be real, who needs a treadmill when you've got a beautiful beach to jog along? For those seeking a more leisurely form of activity, the resort offers various recreational options. While we don't have a full list, you can imagine typical resort offerings like beach volleyball, table tennis, or maybe even salsa dancing lessons, because when in Mexico, right? And here's a unique perk. With certain packages, guests get unlimited access to Xcaret Park. This eco-archaeological park is like stepping into a Mexican wonderland, complete with underground rivers, Mayan ruins, and spectacular shows. It's like having an entire extra vacation within your vacation. After all that activity, you might be in need of some serious R&R. Enter the U-Spa Wellness Center at Allegro Playacar. While we don't have a menu of specific treatments, you can imagine all the pampering possibilities. Picture yourself drifting off during a soothing massage, the skilled hands of a therapist working out all those knots you didn't even know you had. Or maybe you're more of a facial person, enjoying a treatment that leaves your skin glowing brighter than the Caribbean sun. While not explicitly mentioned, many resort spas include facilities like saunas and steam rooms, perfect for detoxing after one too many poolside margaritas. The U-Spa Wellness Center is your oasis of calm in the midst of all the resort excitement. It's the perfect place to recharge your batteries, whether you're recovering from a long day of sightseeing or preparing for a night of dancing. And let's face it, there's something extra indulgent about being pampered while on vacation. It's like pressing the reset button on your stress levels. While we don't have specifics on operating hours, most resort spas offer flexible scheduling to fit around your vacation plans. So whether you're an early bird looking for a sunrise yoga session or a night owl in need of a midnight massage, chances are the U-Spa has got you covered. For those traveling with little ones, Allegro Playacar has you covered too. While we don't have specific details about kids' clubs or activities, many all-inclusive resorts offer a range of programs designed to keep younger guests entertained and engaged. Imagine a dedicated kids area where your little ones can make new friends, participate in fun activities, and maybe even learn a bit about Mexican culture. These clubs often offer age-appropriate activities, from arts and crafts for the tiny tots to video game tournaments for the teens. Some resorts even offer babysitting services, allowing parents to enjoy a romantic dinner or a quiet spa day while knowing their children are in good hands. And let's not forget about family-friendly amenities. Think kid-sized pool furniture, children's menus in restaurants, and maybe even special welcome gifts for your little travelers. While we can't confirm specific offerings at Allegro Playacar, the resort's family-friendly reputation suggests that they've put thought into making sure guests of all ages have a great time. After all, happy kids make for happy parents, and happy parents make for a fantastic family vacation. For checking booking availability and prices at your desired dates, you can use the link in description. I hope this video was helpful. Give it thumbs up. Subscribe for more travel-related content. If you're not ready to book this hotel, you can watch our Best Hotels playlist and choose the best one for you. Thanks for watching.